DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another update. You already see we are dealing with no people. Yeah man, we're back in this bitch with none other than. Yeah man, artist no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, he Bad Juvie himself. Bad Juvie is in town. Until the Bad Juvie got Kranium with him. You see me? And the one I need money. I'm gonna check it out and see what I want. From the title, you don't know who I deal with. Should be dealing with the dollars. You see me? I say, yeah man, gang, we're not gonna hold the vibe much longer. You don't know. Pablo 𝐎𝐍, Bad Juvie. Me don't tell a long time. Say Pablo 𝐎𝐍 a star in a dog. You have one of the greatest potential for actually become a star. You see me? In a blood cleat dancehall. You have one of the total package to become a star. You have the star quality. You see me? I say, yeah man, gang. But now we'll be vibe much longer. I jump right now in track. You don't know me say where I deal with today. I deal with Pablo 𝐎𝐍 and Kranium money. You see me? Now we'll be vibe much longer. Let's get it, gang.
23 records.
Money, I'm need right now.
Of course.
Money,
Of course.
Money.
We need the money.
Every day with that panic grind. You for them, I look that aside.
Where we are look? Where we are look? Tell them no Pablo what we are do. What we do?
Every day with that panic grind.
Yeah man.
You for them, I look that aside.
That's facts.
Money. Money, what we need right now. Drop top, make sure drop a jazz like when we have gas in the tank and it no fire blank. And I mean
money what we need, right? What? Because what happened?
top, make sure drop a jazz like when we have gas in the tank and it no fire blank. And a million at the bank if I'm being quite frank. Money, what we need right now. Big Benz, funny ends like when we have gas in the tank and it no fire blank. And
I press out the money dog neat like you come from the bank. Mama, hey damn, mama nice. Oh man, your skin looking nice, mama. Beautiful.
Big Benz, funny ends like when we have gas in the tank and it no fire blank. And a million at the bank if I'm being quite frank. From me born me have a plan, that's the blueprint of a man. Have a girl up on me land and suck me cocky without no hand. I'm a cool.
That's me born me have a plan, that's a blueprint of a man. But look on this in the image.
Me have a plan, that's the blueprint of a man. Have a girl up on me.
Yeah, you see that? Oh man.
Land and suck me cocky without no hand. I'm a couldn't judge her though because she have her ambition. Said the man where she got now I'm pay the tuition. So money, you know we want more of that.
Yeah, the man where she have no one play tuition, so a dog I deal with it.
Have a girl up on me land and suck me cocky without no hand. I'm a couldn't judge her though because she have her ambition. Said the man where she
girl Pamela so me cock without no hand. You see me? Couldn't just blame her because I don't know and take care of bumbo please. That's why bad
land and suck me cocky without no hand. I'm a couldn't judge her though because she have her ambition. Said the man where she got now I'm pay the tuition. So money, you know we want more of that. The Glock coffee squeeze we keep the stocks on the block.
No money going in the dog. You see me? I say dog if you not have it and then girl I go one of your dog because they want things. You see me? And if you see me I just say things. I such is life. You know?
The money, you know we want more of that. The Glock coffee squeeze we keep the stocks on the block. Why you think me I go hard if you not have me I stay on me yard.
You hear me man? We gotta keep up on the spot money. You see me? That's how we go hard out here. You know what? For the dollar sign and not for bumbo man.
You think me I go hard if you not have me I stay on me yard. Hey, money, what we need right now. Drop top, make sure drop a jazz line.
Yes, you know, me see you, go on.
In the tank and it no fire blank. And a million at the bank if I'm being quite frank. Money, what we need right now. Big Benz, funny ends like.
I create Lord, come here, man. I know what's up here, but imagine that shit was real. Somebody a cat that come give. Jeez.
When we have gas in the tank and it no fire blank. And a million at the bank if I'm being quite frank. Me want money, me want money when me can't count, money when me can't done.
That's a fact.
Me want money.
Where we want Pablo? Tell him again. Tell him up. Pablo, talk to them. What we want?
Me want money when me can't count, money when me can't done.
No sir.
Me want money, and if I bring struck, me and me killer them mass up.
Yeah.
Get a youth have a money dream. We plant money tree, go for the money yeah, when me plant to.
Yeah man, we have a we have a what? We go for do what we do?
Youth have a money tree.
Yeah.
We plant money tree, go for the money yeah, when me plant to.
Yeah.
500 billion drop and if a zillion at the highest side, so when me want go.
Yeah man, 500 for what? When we want to reach it. Even if he real out there, we want.
Zillion chop and if a zillion at the highest side, that's where me want go. Money, I want me need right now. Richer than Elon Musk. Chop top, make a chop jazz like wow. Chop top, be my M4 driver. Money.
Chop top, make a chop jazz like wow. Talk true, no man. Yeah, let me say a lie, but I joke.
Make a chop jazz like wow. Chop top, be my M4 driver. Money, what we need right now. Drop top, make sure drop a jazz like wow. Me have gas in the tank and it in no fire blank.
Yeah,
and a million at the bank if I'm being quite frank. Money.
Gas in the tank. What we do? Kranium, talk to them.
The tank and it in no fire blank. And a million at the bank if I'm being quite frank. Money, what we need right now. Big Benz, funny ends like what we have gas in the tank and it in no fire blank. And a million at the bank if I'm being quite frank.
Yeah.
From me born, me have a plan. That's the blueprint of a man.
Yeah. From what we do? Kranium, talk to them. From what we do from where little youth? What we do from where little youth? Talk to them.
Bank if I'm being
yeah, man. Hey, come in. What we
quite
do?
frank. From me born, me have a plan. That's the blueprint of a man.
Yeah.
Have a girl up on me land and suck me cocky without no
Yeah.
hand. And I couldn't judge her though because she have her ambition. Tell the man where she got now and pay the tuition. So money.
Luckily, such is life, man. If you not pay the cost, you can't be the boss.
Judge her though because she have her ambition. Tell the man where she got now and pay the tuition. So money, you know we want more of that. The Glock off the squeeze to keep the stocks on the block.
Hey.
Why you think me I go hard if you not having me I stay at me
yard? Yeah, man. Talk to them.
Hey.
If it's not about money, what are we doing, Kranium?
Why you think me I go hard if you not having me I stay at me yard?
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Man. Yeah, man. I bumbuckler. You need money if you push it the fattest ride, the biggest beast. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, if you have money for the nice villa and thing them. You see me? I say. Yeah, man. You have the baddest beats. You see me? I say. If you pop the dearest tags. You see me? I say. You need money. Yeah, man. The dolly them, you need it. Everything you need it. I make nobody tell you nothing else. Yeah, shit, bro. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Yeah, man, Pablo, Kranium, I saw not deal with them. Yeah, man, that is a wicked collab. You see me? I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of something that I would expect. Nothing less than I would expect from those two. You see me? I say? Yeah, man, I like that, man. Big up themselves. Big up Pablo 𝐻𝐍, Bad Jovi, big up Kranium. Man, them tough, man. You see me, the video clean, girl, let me know it look good. You see me, the subject matter, it's everything, it's everybody can relate to. Needing more money. You see me, I say, yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. This is a playlist show on this, man. You see me, I say, every day, beat. You see me, you can make some vibe too. Real talk, man. It's a vibe. Big up on yourself, Kranium and Pablo. People drop in the comments what you think about the one there. See me and say one of the favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody. They like the video, the girl them, the dolly them, or the moms them they look. I know no man. You see me and say, you're dropping a request, getting a shout out. You see me and say if you like your show that some love and support and hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know code, You see me and say do the right thing. You see me and say, yeah man, you're not on all the vibes. You don't know till next time. I'll see you guys in the next one. You see me and say, yeah man gang. Next time, boy Jambisco.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.